Most traders lose money because they trade emotionally, chase hype, and guess entries. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact LEAPS trading system, step by step, so you can trade calmly, protect your capital, and build real compounding profits. What are LEAPS? LEAPS are long-term options that give you control of a stock for up to 2 years. They move like shares, but require far less capital, and they allow you to compound faster than traditional investing. Unlike short-term options, LEAPS have very low time decay, which makes them ideal for long-term strategies. My 4-step LEAPS system. Step 1. Stock selection. I only trade high-growth leaders in technology, AI, and infrastructure. These stocks have strong institutional demand and long-term expansion trends. Step 2. Entry timing. I never chase breakouts. I wait for consolidation, pullbacks, and support zones. And I only enter when price stabilizes. Step 3. LEAPS. Contract selection. I buy LEAPS with at least 9 to 18 months until expiration. I target deltas between 0.65 and 0.85, so my contracts move similar to shares. Step 4. Risk and profit management. I define my stop loss before entering. I take partial profits into strength. I protect capital first. Profits come second. Why this works? This system removes emotion and guesswork. It aligns you with institutional buying. It allows small accounts to grow steadily. If you want weekly LEAPS setups, entries, and market structure analysis, subscribe to this channel and comment below which stock you want to analyze next.